What's up, everyone, and welcome to this week's Monday Assembly. Firstly, we're going to the whole Prefect team who have recorded a super special Prefect challenge. This will be one of many Prefect challenges, and this week's challenge will be shooting free throws. Take it away, Prefect.
Oh for 3, come on, Marcus. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, tied. That's 3, that's 3. That's your score. One for 4, one. Yeah, that's 1 for 5. This one?
Yep.
One for 1. Dark. Oh, wait for the...
Insurance, how do you feel about your performance, sir? That was ridiculous.
Thank you so much, Prefects, and congratulations, I guess, to me for winning. Next up is Andrew Wolcombe with an announcement about Feel Good Fridays. Take it away, Andrew.
Hey everyone, I don't know about all you, but the Super Bowl halftime show I just watched had me really singing along at some parts. And if that was the case for you too, then I got just the thing for you. Last Friday at school, you might have found yourself feeling good, and that's because last Friday was Feel Good Friday. But this Thursday, what are we going to do? There's no Friday. Oh wait, it's Terrific Thursday. And because of that, we're going to have karaoke at break. Yup, karaoke. You can pick any song you want within reason and perform it in front of your friends. If you're interested, email me, Andrew Wolcombe, or any of the other prefects, and we'll get you ready to go. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Andrew. Finally on to Martin for birthdays.
Hey everyone, this week we have 6 special birthday announcements. So, happy birthday to Owen Lamacraft, David Talbot, Will Suter, and Nate Logan. And this coming weekend, happy birthday to Henry Amer and Hunter Renault. If you see these guys in the hallways, please be sure to wish them a happy birthday. And that's it. Thanks, guys.
And remember, lads, be safe and be kind.